Getting a DUI is a life-changing experience. It affects your record, your finances, and, without a doubt, your car insurance. In Kentucky, that impact can feel even more overwhelming with steep rate hikes and complex requirements. But here's the thing. Just because you've had a DUI doesn't mean you're out of options. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about getting auto insurance after a DUI in Kentucky. We'll cover how DUIs impact your rates, reveal the top 10 companies that offer DUI-friendly policies, and tips to lower your premiums. And if you're looking for the quickest way to find the best rates for your situation, head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool. With just a few clicks, you can compare quotes from multiple insurers side by side, and it won't cost you a thing. So, you may have just gotten a DUI in Kentucky, or maybe you're trying to understand what could happen if you did. Either way, the financial impact can be just as intense as the legal consequences. Let's break down how a DUI affects your car insurance. For drivers with a clean record in Kentucky, the average annual car insurance premium is about $2,228. But after a DUI, that average jumps to $4,203 per year. That's a 78% increase. Pretty steep, right? A DUI marks you as a high-risk driver, which makes you more expensive to insure. Insurance companies see you as a liability, so they raise your premiums to offset that risk. And this isn't a short-term hit. It usually sticks around for 3 to 5 years, depending on your provider and driving history. Now, if your DUI came with a license suspension, there's one more hoop to jump through. You may be required to file an SR-22 form. That's not insurance itself, it's a document your insurer sends to the state to prove you're carrying the minimum required coverage. Not all insurance companies provide SR-22 filings, so you might have to switch providers, sometimes to a more expensive, high-risk insurer. A DUI in Kentucky can send your insurance premiums soaring, and the financial effects can last for years. To find the best rates, even after a DUI, visit autoinsurance.org. Using their free comparison tool, you can compare quotes from top providers in minutes and find a policy that fits your new situation. Here's the good news. Not all insurance companies treat DUI drivers the same. Some offer better rates, easier processes, or more leniency. Based on pricing, features, and customer satisfaction, we've ranked the 10 best auto insurance providers in Kentucky if you have a DUI on your record. Let's count them down. Coming in at number 1 is Progressive, a top choice for flexibility and affordability. They're well known for working with high-risk drivers and offer some of the lowest prices in the state, just $63 per month for minimum coverage after a DUI. Their digital tools make managing your policy simple, and they make filing an SR-22 quick and easy. At number 2, we've got State Farm. Known for exceptional customer service, they connect you with local agents who can walk you through post-DUI coverage and SR-22 filing. Their pricing is extremely competitive too. Minimum coverage costs just $47 a month, the lowest on our list. Combine that with great service, and it's easy to see why so many Kentuckians trust them. Coming in third is Allstate, thanks to its innovative MileWise program. If your driving has decreased since your DUI, this pay-per-mile plan can help reduce your costs. However, their standard DUI rates are a bit higher, with minimum coverage at $176 per month. But for low-mileage drivers, the potential savings from MileWise can really make up for it. Fourth on our list is Farmers, offering discounts for drivers recovering from a DUI. From safe driving courses to bundling policies, there are many ways to save. In Kentucky, minimum coverage after a DUI averages $121 per month, which is competitive, especially when you stack on the discounts they offer. At number 5, Liberty Mutual offers a standout feature, accident forgiveness. That means your first post-DUI incident might not raise your rates as much, giving you a chance to rebuild. Even better, they offer minimum coverage at just $89 per month, making them an affordable and forgiving option for high-risk drivers. Want to see how much you can save? Compare quotes now by visiting autoinsurance.org. Using our free comparison tool, you can easily get your personalized rate and find the best deal for you. Number 6 is Nationwide, highly rated for their support and claims satisfaction. Whether you're setting up SR-22 forms or adjusting your policy, their reps are easy to work with. They're a bit pricier, with minimum coverage starting at $166 per month. But many drivers find the extra support worth the cost. At number 7, Travelers stands out for its broad range of policy options. From roadside assistance to accident forgiveness, they offer strong add-ons to help high-risk drivers stay protected. The cost for DUI minimum coverage in Kentucky is $112 a month, giving you a solid balance between coverage and price. Eighth on our list is American Family, known for helping younger drivers get back on track. Their loyalty rewards and focus on education make them ideal if you're just starting your driving journey again. In Kentucky, DUI minimum coverage with them runs about $120 per month, which is solid for young or first-time offenders. At number 9 is the Hartford, a favorite for senior drivers, especially through its AARP affiliation. Their DUI policies are straightforward and come with plenty of tailored support. In Kentucky, you're looking at $86 per month for minimum coverage, making it an affordable option for older drivers with a solid history. Rounding out our list at number 10 is Auto Owners Insurance. They work through independent agents, which means you get highly personalized service and local insights. Plus, their DUI minimum coverage rate is just $86 per month, making it one of the most affordable options available. If you want hands-on guidance and tailored options, Auto Owners is a strong choice. To compare rates, coverage, and find the best fit for your needs, head over to autoinsurance.org now. Using our free comparison tool, you can compare insurance quotes and find the best auto insurance that suits your needs. So you've been hit with a DUI, and those insurance rates are through the roof. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck with sky-high premiums forever. With a little strategy, you can start lowering your rates. Here are 4 solid steps you can take to bring those costs down. First up, always compare quotes and do it often. Insurance rates fluctuate, and just because you got hit with a high rate after your DUI doesn't mean it's set in stone forever. Comparison tools, like the one at autoinsurance.org, let you shop around and track better rates over time. Next, consider taking a defensive driving course. Some insurance companies will offer discounts if you complete an approved course. It shows insurers that you're committed to becoming a safer driver, which can help offset the increased risk of your DUI. Tip number 3 is to raise your deductible. If you've got some financial flexibility, this can be an effective way to lower your monthly premiums. By agreeing to pay a higher out-of-pocket cost if you get into an accident, you're shifting more risk onto yourself, which means your insurer can lower your premium in return. Finally, look into bundling your policies. This is one of the easiest ways to snag a discount. If you have other types of insurance like home, renters, or life insurance, consider combining them with your auto insurance under one provider. Being proactive about your insurance is key. The more effort you put in now, the more you'll save in the long run. So don't just accept those high rates. Take action and start lowering your premiums today. And if you're ready to start saving, don't wait. Head over to autoinsurance.org. Using our free comparison tool, you can compare insurance rates, find DUI-friendly providers, and start taking control of your quotes today. Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is how you bounce back. After a DUI, getting back on the road responsibly and affordably is 100% possible. If you found this video helpful, click the like button so we know we're making content that matters. Drop a comment below to share any tips or experiences that helped you after a DUI. Someone else might really need it. And hit that subscribe button so you never miss practical, real-world advice to keep you on the road and in control. Getting a DUI doesn't define your future. How you move forward does. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next video.